Imagine trading in the familiar for the unknown, all in the name of progress. That's precisely what Malaysia's leading deep-sea robotics scientist, Professor Mohd Rizal Arshad, did when he made the bold decision to move to China. But here's where it gets controversial. Why would a renowned scientist leave a country he's dedicated over 2 decades of his career to for a nation that, while impressive, is also known for its intense competition and rapid technological advancements? Let's dive in and explore the reasons behind this significant move. China is at the forefront of global innovation in several key areas. It's the world leader in adding wind turbine capacity, boasting an impressive array of wind farms that harness the power of the wind to generate clean energy. Additionally, China is home to some of the busiest container ports in the world, facilitating a significant portion of global trade. But this is the part most people miss. China's prowess doesn't stop at wind energy and shipping. It also excels in deep-sea science, pushing the boundaries of what's possible beneath the waves. For Professor Mohd Rizal Arshad, the allure of China lies in the growing number of underwater structures and deep-sea explorations. These advancements present a wealth of opportunities for marine robot applications, a field in which Rizal is an expert. He envisions a future where the ocean plays a pivotal role in sustaining life on Earth, serving as a source of drinking water, food, minerals, and even power, such as wave energy. But can China truly deliver on these promises, or is it all just hype? Let's explore further. Rizal's decision to move to China was influenced by the country's robust ecosystem, which facilitates the swift translation of research into industry applications. This ecosystem fosters direct engagement with businesses, allowing scientists to tackle real-world challenges head-on. Moreover, China's vast network of suppliers provides easy access to components for building prototypes, accelerating the pace of innovation. But here's a thought-provoking question. At what cost does this rapid progress come? Is the environment paying the price for China's technological advancements? In February, Rizal joined Xi'an Jiaotong-Liverpool University's Entrepreneur College in Taicang, located in the eastern province of Jiangsu, as the dean of the School of Robotics. This move marks a new chapter in his career, one that he hopes will allow him to make a significant impact in the field of marine robotics. But can he truly make a difference in a country known for its intense competition and rapid technological advancements? Only time will tell. Before his move to China, Rizal completed his education in Britain and spent 26 years in Malaysia, researching control and robotic systems. During this time, he developed a wide range of intelligent marine robots, including underwater submersibles, cable and non-cable underwater vehicles, floating robots, and crawler robots for the seabed. His extensive experience and expertise make him a valuable addition to China's scientific community. But will his skills and knowledge be enough to help China achieve its deep-sea science goals? And what does this mean for Malaysia, a country that has benefited from his expertise for over 2 decades? These are questions that spark debate and invite differing opinions. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below.